The next one then is the product builder. This is where you produce products from the core asset base. So the organizational context is not only have you made a decision to go for software product lines, but you have already set up a core asset base, and you do have knowledgeable individuals who have created the assets, created the guidance in the form of the production plan, and you have people on the product building side who are trained to go to the asset base for product development and not roll their own. So everybody is on board with the product line effort, and people understand their roles as they enact core asset building and product building. And the product builders follow the production plan. They use the appropriate tools that have been provided as part of the infrastructure. They follow a disciplined process to create the end product. The practice areas in product builder are requirements engineering for the specific product. So you've done requirements engineering at the level of core assets, and you've identified common and variant requirements. Requirements engineering here is matching the requirements of a specific product against what's been captured in the core asset base and making a determination which requirements can be accommodated by exercising variation points in the requirements asset and which ones are going to require additional development that isn't covered in the core asset base. They're really product-specific components. Similarly, architecture definition and architecture evaluation are for the product-specific architecture. So creating a product-specific architecture from the product line architecture. And depending on the nature of the resulting product architecture, you might want to consider doing an evaluation of the product-specific architecture over and above any evaluation you've done of the generic product line architecture. And then you have component development for the specific components that are not part of the core asset base and the testing and integration associated with the product.